What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed. He's the wholesale coach here, back for another video. And in this video, man, look, I just wanted to give y'all an updated 2020 version of my Craigslist domination strategy. I know a ton of you all have checked out this video. Thousands of people have checked it out. However, I want to give y'all the update, give y'all the 2020 version. Some things have changed, and my opinions about some of the things that I said in this previous video has changed. So I really hope that y'all like this video. Go ahead, hit that like button for me now, and let's go ahead. Let's get into it. All right, so a lot of you guys mentioned in the previous video that some of you all were getting your accounts banned on Craigslist for posting too much. So that's a huge part of the reason why I wanted to make this updated video to show you all how to not get banned off of Craigslist and keep your account in good standing, all right? So as I stated in the last video, when you're using Craigslist, you really want to be posting. In the last video, I said 5 to 10 times per day to get the best results, but really I've revised that. I really want you all posting 4 to 6 times per day. And to really maximize the results on Craigslist, you really need to use 2 to 3 different email addresses. Let me just write that in here. You need to use 2 to 3 different email addresses. Don't forget that. That's kind of one of the keys when it comes to not getting banned. You want to switch up your email address. So let's say, for instance, you want to post some posts to attract motivated sellers. What I would recommend, if you're going to post 6 times that day, post one post in the morning, post another post in the afternoon, and then post another post in the evening. Now, you can use that same email address for all 3 of those posts. However, honestly, I would recommend, like, if you're going to do more posts, so if you're going to do a whole 6, then you'll use another email address and then post another 3 posts from those 3 different email addresses. So what I would do is I would post one post from this one email address in the daytime, and then one post from this other email address in the daytime, and then one post from this email address in the afternoon, one post from this email address in the afternoon. Or you can do it to where you just post 2 posts from one email address in the morning, 2 posts from another email address in the afternoon, and then your last 2 posts in the evening from another email address. All right, so kind of make sure that you structure it out. You're using different email addresses so Craigslist isn't flagging you, pretty much. Not to mention your competitors sometimes may try to flag you as well if they see you're getting a ton of posts out there and they aren't, pretty much. So they may be hating on you. It's definitely possible that you'll get some people to hate on you. However, that's one of the major differences between this video and the last video that I made on this Craigslist domination strategy. So I'm just going to go through the process of showing y'all how to set up your actual Craigslist post, what it should look like, and things of that nature. So let's dive in. So when you get the Craigslist, you're going to want to first go to your area. So you'll start on this side. If you aren't already selected into your area, you'll start on like the state or the city. You can click on Chicago, Dallas, Denver, things like that. So once you're in your area, I'm in Las Vegas, so I've got Las Vegas right here. I'm just going to click on create a posting. And inside of this Craigslist domination strategy document, which you can find in my contracts package, which is below this video, here you'll see which sections you want to be posting in, as well as the areas that you want to, as well as the post, I should say, as well as the actual words that you want to post. All right, so in this section, what we're going to do, real estate services, real estate for sale. We're going to go with real estate for sale. All right, so let's go with housing wanted to begin. And then we're going to go wanted real estate. That's actually what I'm going to do on this one. We're going to do real estate wanted. In other words, that would be this one right here. We're going to do the real estate wanted section, and you'll go ahead and grab your post. If you already have these posts from this document, then you can simply just copy and paste, make your life super simple. Or, you can just write this stuff out, pause the video, write the stuff down. If you don't want to grab the contracts package, feel free, have at it, do what works best for you. So what you'll want to do with these posts is something around these lines right here. So you're in the real estate wanted section, right? So in the real estate wanted section, I would likely post something like this, looking for buyer partners post right here. Right, so that's probably what I would actually do. In fact, I'm going to go back just to give you all a better example of the type of post. I want to give you all a motivated seller post to post. All right, so we're going to do housing offered, and then it's going to be, we're going to do real estate by owner. So it's pretty much like for sale by owner is the section, like real estate for sale by owner is the section that will be in. Real estate for sale. That's that section. All right. So we're going to use this first ad right here. And for my headline, I'm just going to type this in. I'm just going to copy and paste this over. Nice and simple. We're just going to copy this posting title. Bang. And then in the description, we're just going to copy this description. For this particular post, I like to keep these super simple. Straight to the point, just a few sentences. The shorter posts tend to get better results. You would actually put your phone number right here in this section. This is just going to be an example because I don't want to keep you all here long. We're going to fly right on through this video. So once you put in that, then you can put in the city or neighborhood right here if you like. So you could just go like Las Vegas. Postal code, we'll do 89032. You'll put your actual phone number right here. And yeah, you can keep it nice and simple, guys, to be honest. You don't really have to mess with this price. I probably would, though. We'll put like $100. So you'll end up on the list. We're going to say a house. Just keep in mind, none of this stuff really matters because you're not actually trying to sell a house. We're just trying to post inside of this area. I just want to put in this housing type just in case some people sort it by just houses. I want to be on that list. All right, and then select available date. I'm just going to put this as like immediately, like today, just in case people are sorting by the date that it's available on. So then I'm going to click this show my phone number section right here. I do recommend that you all actually put your phone number and contact name here. I do recommend that. I noticed that I get a ton more responses when I do put my phone number on the post. Even if people don't call, I tend to get more emails when I have the phone number on there. So keep that in mind. You don't have to have this location info on there, and I would not check this box right here saying that it's okay for other people to contact you. At that point, once you click continue, let me just, I'm just going to take some of this stuff off so I can show you the next screen. It should give you the option to upload your images. We're just going to leave that as is. You could put in a different address or whatever. I'm just going to go with the postal code right here. Boom, we're just going to continue, and then it's going to give you the option to either drag and drop your images or click this button right here to add your images to this post. Once you're done with the images, let me just grab an image real quick. Once you're done with the images, then it's going to give you the option to check out the post. All right, so you see that? Boom, something nice and simple, straight to the point. That's what the post would actually look like, and then you would simply click publish and it would publish your post. It does not cost for you to post these posts on Craigslist, but like I said, make sure that you're not super flooding the market. As I mentioned in the last video, you will get your account banned. Craigslist has started cracking down on people who post too many times. So like I said, keep it simple. 2 posts per email per day. All right, you can kind of figure it out however you want to, but just a maximum of 2 posts per email. I've seen people go as high as 3 posts per email, but just be careful. Don't get your email account banned. You really want to be able to leverage Craigslist. In some markets, Craigslist is the hottest thing out there right now. So like I said, I hope that you all appreciate this video. I want to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point. I don't want to waste y'all time. Like I said, you can find all of the wording. You can find this document that you're looking at right here with I think it's 5 different ads that you can use. So you can just copy and paste these ads so you can start rocking and rolling on Craigslist right away. Check it out with the link in the description, and it'll be like in the pinned comment down below. Feel free to check those out if you need it. But yeah, I hope that you all like this video. Hope y'all staying healthy and blessed out there. Look, I just had to give y'all the updated version of this video because I've had a ton of people comment on the previous Craigslist domination strategy video saying that, how do you not get your account banned? I know that I didn't mention it in the last video. In fact, I got one of my accounts banned and my posts are getting flagged and things of that nature or whatever. So make sure that, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, y'all. Share this video with other people that want to get out here and leverage Craigslist as well. Anyway, hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed. And until next time, guys, I am out.